Class, what are my highest degrees there? So notice they're in descending order, right? Very helpful. So now I'm going to write x to the third over x to the second. Partner A, tell partner B, what's the inequality from top degree to bottom degree? Inequality, greater than, less than, equal, or greater than? Class, what is it? The top degree is greater than this bottom degree. So if it's greater, what's the answer? There is none. Raise your hand if you got the word none. Okay? I'll do this in, let's do this in green. Graph it if you haven't already. X to the third minus 16x divided by x squared minus 3x minus 10. Zoom 6. Okay, now notice I have a graph here. I got a vertical, I got a vertical. Do you guys see that? Yeah. Okay. There should be something on the other side of the graph. The question is, how do you know that? Well, you can pick any x value and get something way over here. Does that make sense? So I'm going to have to change my window. Maybe you do negative 50 to positive 50, and then count by tens or 20s. Or count by tens. Right? There was something not on the graph. Now some of you realize you can go zoom out, but changing your window manually is better. Do you see it? So if on your quiz you only give me these two sections and you're missing that third one, it's not the calculator's fault. It's your fault. Okay? Let's graph it. If you factor this, what would you get? Class, if you factor these, what do you get? Five and x minus 2, yeah? And then up here, this would be plus 2, good job. And then up here, if you took a GCF of an x, you have x squared minus 16. So that'll be x and x plus 4x minus 4. Yeah? Okay, so that means you have a vertical asymptote at 5. It's kind of off my... just go down here. Make a bigger one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another one at x equals negative 2. Remember, you're setting those equal to 0. And then I have no horizontal asymptote. Okay, so let's do our best to sketch the graph. So that graph might look something like this. And we took in our notes that you might actually have, I didn't do a good job, but do you see it? We can just arbitrarily put something in there. I mean, I'm not asking you to find a slanted or oblique asymptote, but you can kind of see that, right? Because we have no horizontal asymptote. So big idea, compare your top degree to your bottom degree.